Matrix Rain in a console. It looks epic but is super short. Create a string of characters to drop first up. So once we have created a string like letters and digits, then in an infinite loop, build a line by randomly picking characters across a fixed column width. Print the line and call thread.sleep with bracket of 100 to animate. Use the ncscape, which is /u001b, and we have done it in the 11th line as well. You can just simply copy up that code before the line or the green text on compatible terminals. What you need to keep in mind that some IDE consoles don't support ANSI caller or real-time clearing text in a terminal. To stop, just simply press Ctrl+C. To make it denser, reduce the sleep or increase columns for sparse rain, add conditional spaces and much more. And that's it. I'm just going to run this code idea to show you how it works. And there you go. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.